If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Yeah. Again, trigger warning. This talks about suicide and self-harm. Shows it. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I don't know, but that's what they warned me about. So to anybody that is don't want to deal with that, the lyrics are important as well. All right. So without further ado, let's get into this. 3, 2, 1. Got some water. He did have a part-time job while he was trying to be an idol for Big Hit. You guys didn't know. How you feeling lately? Ooh. Oh shit. 별의별 일이 많았지. 뭐가 이리 다 살아난지. 기억조차 안 나는 기억도 다 꺼내보자고 하나씩. 다 꺼내보자고 하나씩. He keeps on waking up. Oh. Because the memory keeps on going and going. Oh, I see. I see. I mean, it's an open door. Oh, he can't open it. Damn, the beat goes hard though too. Wait, say it one more time. Taking meds, pills, or oh, I see. It's like a struggle just to go to that like light at the end of the tunnel or the door and just to open it. Wow. I'm trying to help him open up too, his younger self. Whoa.
Yo, I'm sorry if this is triggering to y'all. I'm sorry. He's trying to help himself. Yeah. Whoa. That is deep. That is a deep topic, and it's something that Yoongi has talked about in the past. Like, we kind of know it, but to put it into his in a song, and especially in the music video, to see what he went through and is currently probably going through. He definitely has memories of this. It's hard to face such things, especially openly. Yeah. Especially putting it out in like out in the open. That's tough. It's very tough. The documentary explains each song. Ah, I see. He's probably I think a lot of listen, he is hopefully he is on therapy too. Because therapy actually really does help y'all. Really. The amygdala is part of the brain that deals with fear and trauma, correct? I learned that actually today. I think I knew that a while back. This part. Interesting. So, yeah, the scar is Agust D, correct. That's why I was like, I see. When I said I see, I was like, oh, so the scar, the Agust D with the scar. That was like, what's good, Dre? What's poppin'? We're just checking out some Agust D, AMYGDALA. I think everyone just needs some therapy, to be honest. Just someone to talk to and just like get professional advice from. He's taking pills for anxiety and depression. I see. AMYGDALA, Dachita, and Hegum, because I see the scar connects all of them. Correct, yeah. That's why I was like, when I said I see. I have been to therapy, actually. Okay, since Agust D is in Yoongi's opening up. I was going to eat this Starburst, but I'm going to leave it here. I did go to therapy in a period of my life where I never told my YouTube channel, or Jrekml. During 2013 to 2016, while I was doing YouTube at the same time, mostly because it had to do, I don't know how to explain it, but it helped me with I used to have panic attacks, actually. I actually had I remember exactly. I had a panic attack at KCON, but I don't know if people knew that. Because I literally ran outside the doors of KCON and went to myself and just breathed like, and that I remember that. That was a tough time. And I think that was that 2015? I don't know. So yeah. It's kind of crazy how the mind is. It blocks out some memories for you. There was a time where I don't know if you guys know, my dad had a stroke. And to be very honest, me and the dad are very close. And I remember him, what do you call it? Trying to hide it. Kinda. So I wouldn't worry. And when I found out, he was trying to talk to me, slurring. And then I remember right then and there, I was like, oh shit. I think my dad's dying. Or gonna die. And I remember having a massive panic attack. And that was my first one. After that, my dad's fine. But there was a time and period where my dad was in the hospital and my mom was there for him and I was all alone in my house by myself. Definitely had some dark thoughts. But what saved me from a lot of things that could have gone wrong, now it's getting emotional, was K-pop. God damn it, Agust D. You opening up and now I felt like opening up. And YouTube, this community. That's why when I say I make you laugh and you make me laugh, you make me smile, I really mean it. Anyways, I feel like I've talked about this story before. It's been a while, so it brings up some memories. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Yeah. Whew. Hard to breathe. Yeah. React to Snooze. I think we're gonna be checking out the rest of Agust D's album. After this, I'm gonna take a quick little break. I gotta pee. Girl, I just literally broke down a little bit too. But I'm fine. Don't worry, I'm fine. Now, you know, I've done the healing process. I got over that trauma. Well, not fully, because it's still gonna hit the core, but there's better ways of handling that. Well, I know better ways of handling that. But hooray to new trauma. I laugh. Listen, I laugh because it's a defense mechanism. I'm so sorry for laughing. I'm laughing at myself. Believe it or not, if I didn't start doing YouTube myself, I would be in a bad place. I don't know what I would be too, bro. I'll take a quick breather. We're gonna be checking out Agust D's album. Coming up here. Shout out to Big Bang Taeyong and everybody. Quick little break. Then we'll check out the album. Okay? Cool. I'll be back.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.